Hey everybody, Gina Jett back here with reason number 4 why private makeup instruction is so much more effective than YouTube videos. And the fourth reason is probably not so obvious to you, but it's really obvious to me when I'm watching the videos myself. And that's that tools and products and brushes kind of aren't really explained on YouTube. I mean, they'll tell you what brush they're using and they'll tell you what foundation they're using or what products they're using, but they're not really saying why and what else those tools and products can do. Also, have you ever noticed that they always pick the most expensive foundations and the most expensive brushes? You're not going to go out and spend $72 on a MAC brush. You need somebody that's going to teach you about brush shape and brush type, that you can go out and find substitutions for these things. And the same things with the expensive products. I don't expect anyone to go out and buy a $90 bottle of Armani foundation, but I can teach you what foundations are just as good and that work just as well. Later on, when you get your sea legs and you're getting really good at makeup, then you can go and splurge on all this stuff. But my clients want to have stuff that's affordable, that's accessible, that they can find easily, and that they're not going to get upset if they break it or destroy it or ruin it or leave it out to dry out or something like that. So explaining your products and your tools is very important. So stay tuned for the last reason. I'll see you in a bit.